Hi everyone, welcome to Schoolhouse Intuitive Tarot. I want to share something special with you today. This is the Feathered Omens Messenger Birds from the Spirit World Oracle Card Deck by Ted Andrews, the author of Animal Speak and many other works. There are a lot of us Ted Andrews fans out there. That's why I wanted to do this video, because you may not know that this deck existed. I didn't until I specifically looked to see if one had been put out. It's by Dragonhawk Publishing. Came out, I think, in 2009. Nice hard box, magnetic flip closure. Will keep your deck safe. Average sized oracle deck. Beautiful color choice. A couple of feathers. Gloss, so that actually this is going to make the cards come to life. You'll see when we do the flip through. The cards are not too thick, so they're not going to stick together on you, so it'll be easy shuffling. And we have a full guidebook that accompanies the deck. And it has 4 chapters, and it starts out with like how to get started, how to care for your deck, how to tap into your intuition, as well as, of course, the messages behind all of the cards, and then a section where you can even take notes about what the cards mean to you. There is also a chapter on signs, omens, and superstitions in here, so you can see. Very well organized. And at the beginning, it also has each page number for the cards. So we have 40 color cards. 34 of them are of birds themselves. And then the remaining 6 are common characteristics. So each one is like looking out at the window or looking at a photograph. They are really detailed, colorful cards. We have blue jay, cardinal, chickadee, crane, crow, cuckoo, dove, duck, eagle, finch, goose, grackle, hawk. Look at the detail. Heron, hummingbird. And just like other tarot or oracle decks, there's the main word here, and then there are keywords here. And it is the average size, of other decks. Kingfisher, penguin, seagull, swan, macaw, magpie, peacock, owl, pelican, pheasant, raven. Look at the sheen here they captured on the photograph. Red-winged blackbird, robin, sparrow, turkey, woodpecker, vulture, and wren. What's great about this deck is because it is so realistic and it's framed like this, you're really able to see what the card means to you. How does it feel to you, using your own intuition? And then, the keywords are always helpful too. And you can always look further if it comes out reversed or upright, as we learned from the book, that's all in there. Then we have our 6 characteristic cards. Courtship and mating, hunting, lovely sheen there, just like a real bird. Migration, nesting, preening, singing, and bluebird ended up at the end somehow. Maybe that's a sign for us. The message is gentleness brings happiness. I hope this video was helpful. I know there are a lot of us fans out there of Ted Andrews, and so I felt it was my duty to introduce you to this deck. Thank you so much, and have a great day.